everyone, Amy Love here, and I'm coming on tonight to share with you some things I've been creating. And it is dark outside, so I hope that the lighting is good enough for you to see. So the first couple things I want to show you are like some appliques that I've created, or this is more like a patch, I would guess, which I think would just be so pretty, like on a bag or on a journal cover. It's just so cute. So it is quilted. I used a piece of eyelet fabric that I put a piece of batting in and folded it over. And then I glued all the bits down. So I can better show you. Let me flip that up out of the way. There is this gorgeous lace from Kim's shop in the back here, and of course I didn't keep a piece out to show you, but I can show you on something else I created where you can see it better. That's my background piece. And then I used this beautiful pleated I don't remember what kind of fabric that is, but this trim is like, it's pleated and it has these pearls, and each one is riveted on, so when you cut it, it won't come off. I love that trim. And so everything obviously is from Angel Dream Crafts, Kim on Etsy, and I will put a link to the shop below so you can go over and get some of the goodies. Then I sewed this heart applique on here. I love these heart appliques, and they do come in white and pink. So I sewed that down. And then I actually sewed everything on this because I wanted it to be able to be sewn onto something. And once you start adding glue, it gets hard to sew it onto something. So it's all, I sewed everything. So I sewed on this rhinestone cup chain. I added this beautiful, this is my favorite dangle from Angel Dream Crafts Kim. So I put that on the bottom. And then I added this beautiful bling from her shop. And this is one of those crimp embellishments that I made that I shared on my last video that was inspired by my friend Julie Kay. I just love it. So I just went ahead and pinned that on right there. But why is this bling backwards? I'll have to figure that out later because it's a really pretty piece. But I thought it's just cute dangling. Just dangling right there, right? It's so cute. So I love that. So I made another sort of, this is more like a patch, I would say, because I'm thinking this would be so cute, like on a jean jacket or on a tote bag, or yeah, also on a journal cover. It's just so sweet. So I took the heart applique in pink, and I sewed it down. It actually has, but you can't see it. Well, I guess you could see it a little bit. It's the heart tulle fabric from Angel Dream Crafts. Here's a little piece of it right here. So that is between the applique and this cotton fabric. So cute. And then I sewed on this beautiful pink fringe from Kim's store that I love. And I left it long, so depending on what I use it for, I might trim that and make it shorter, but it surely is beautiful. So I'll just leave it that way until I figure out where I want to put this. If I can find a jean jacket, though, I'm telling you it's going on there. And then I actually sewed some bits of the pink wedding applique along here. And then I sewed these cute little buttons on top. So I just love that. So I did that. And then I am in this lovely Facebook group, and they have challenges in there. And so Ivy challenged us to make a little envelope. Now she challenged us to use little fabric napkins or hankies, but I didn't do that. I just cut out a piece of cotton and made my envelope that way. And then I just dripped all these Angel Dream Crafts lovelies on it. So here it is. So I had it was a 7x7 piece of fabric, and I kind of just sewed a bunch of snippets all over it, and then I folded it up into an envelope. And this beautiful lace was actually the one I was trying to show you that I used on the background of this piece. I absolutely love this lace. It's so pretty, and it's very wide. So I wrapped that all the way around. So cute. And then this cute little lace from her shop I put on top of that. I did add these beautiful dangles. Look how long these dangles are. Those are actually underneath that lace, and they go all the way around, so they're like a double layer of those. So pretty. And then more of this beautiful trim right here from her shop. This is actually an applique that I created a while back, and it's just been hanging out, and this looked like the perfect place to put that. And I can put a link up here in the iCards to where I shared when I made these appliques. So I just put that there. And then I did put 2 rows of gathered lace trim, and I glued them on the underside, and then they fluff out. Look how fluffy and beautiful that is. And this bow was actually on one of my design team kits. I don't remember what month it was, but it was part it was, where's the rest of it? It was attached to this flower. So I decided that I would put that right there. So it's so cute, right? It's little and cute, and it's just a sweet little envelope. And thank you, Ivy, for the challenge. And I think it's so cute, right? It's just adorable. So I had so much fun playing with Angel Dream Craft goodies. So make sure you go over and check out her Etsy shop to see what she's got available in there. So many fun things. And I, of course, will also put a link to all the other designers on the team, so you can go check them out. They are amazing and always making beautiful things that inspire me so much. And I would love you to leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, everybody.